So today we're going to learn about claiming a listing. So we search for the business. And how we know that the listing is to be claimed. But we'll have a claim listing button down here. We click on claim listing. We fill in the details, and as you can see, this is the list of packages, so we'll select the features 2, and all the level 2 features are in the pricing packages. We select I am not a robot, and we select send. You will then receive this notice saying that you will be notified by email, so you log in to your email and you'll see this email from us. So once you receive your email, there'll be a link within your email, and you type that in the URL, and the link will take you to the business that you're trying to verify. You have now confirmed that you are the owner of the business, and you will also receive a paid invoice with a zero amount as you pick the zero amount package, and depending on what package you picked, you may have a reoccurring package, and that is how you claim a listing on Local Where To.